This is video number 2. We are here at the Corn and Pump Museum. As you can see, all of these artifacts were used back in the mining world here in Michigan. It's definitely a lot of history. Support your local museums, local places that you can contribute to, so they can still survive and they can open and pay for their wages. So it is definitely a learning experience. As you guys probably know, I love history. So for me, history is just amazing. How far we came from back in the days, looking at all of these museums and how heavy the equipment used to be back in the days. Everything used to be made out of iron. So, for instance, this little machine right here is telling you they're right there. And this is how they used to pull themselves through this equipment. Engineer's hole. There's a little trains where they used to carry the whole rocks. It is definitely a lot of history, people. This is how they used to the water wheel, ventilating fans. It's just heavy iron metal. It's definitely one of my favorite places. Just like I said, if you guys have a local museum, support your local museum. And definitely support local museums, local businesses. Pandemic has been tough for everybody. So thank you for watching, Jessica in Wisconsin. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And we hope that you guys like these videos and hope to see you next time, okay?